Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about inspiring values of Lord Ram from the Ramayana. Well, if you are a parent or a school librarian or a teacher, then this video will be interesting for you. Why? Well, because before or during festivals, you can discuss with kids about these inspiring values of Lord Ram. Wouldn't this be a great idea? As kids can see how these values are valuable even today. So stay tuned till the end of this video. The epic story of Ramayana contains significant lessons with Lord Ram personifying characteristics that continue to inspire young minds today. Experts say that traces of Lord Ram's existence are found all over the Indian subcontinent. So, Ramayana is part of India's ancient history as it is mentioned in the Puranas. Lord Ram's life teaches valuable lessons about leadership, compassion, humility, and determination. Let's dig further into these characteristics to see how they might inspire and assist young readers. Believe in the impossible. The construction of the bridge to Lanka by Lord Ram's Vanar Sena is a narrative of unwavering determination. Despite what appeared to be an overwhelming challenge, building a bridge across the ocean, Lord Ram led his team into with unshakable confidence. What's the lesson? With devotion and effort, even the impossible becomes attainable. The key takeaway: believe in yourself, work hard, and never give up on your dreams. Second, the power of teamwork. The bridge was erected not only by powerful Vanar Sena but also by little creatures such as squirrel, which gave their all. This underlines the necessity of cooperation where every effort, no matter how small or significant, is valued. Key takeaway: everyone has a job to play, and success occurs when everyone collaborates. The power of faith story of stones with Lord Ram's name floating on water exemplifies the power of faith. Young readers can discover how belief, whether in a greater power, themselves, or their goals, can fuel success and resilience. Key takeaway: some devotees write Shri Ram before reading or writing, which represents trust in divine guidance and focus. Saying a little prayer is also the same. Humility in leadership. Even after conquering Ravan, Lord Ram apologized for taking a life, acknowledging Ravan's wisdom and dedication, despite his terrible crimes. This humility emphasizes that even in victory, one must stay grounded and recognize the good in others. Key takeaway: a successful leader maintains humility and respects everyone, including enemies. 5. Discovering the best in others. Lord Ram's ability to identify Ravana's merits despite his weakness teaches a powerful lesson. Every human has redeeming qualities, just as a rose plant is treasured for its beauty despite its thorns. Key takeaway: do not pass judgment on others too early. Look for the best in everyone. 6. Taking initiative. Lord Ram was known as Purva Bhashi, or someone who starts conversation without waiting for others. This simple habit emphasizes the need of proactive communication and overcoming barriers to connect with others. The key takeaway: be the first to provide a hand, make connections, and solve problems. 7. Respecting team opinion. When Ravan's brother Vibhishan sought sanctuary with Lord Ram, he checked with his team before accepting Vibhishan. Despite conflicting perspectives, Lord Ram remained respectful to his team when reaching the final decision. This demonstrates that good leaders value collaboration and consensus while remaining secure in their judgment. Key takeaway: listen to others while being true to your principles. 8. Upholding dharma over shortcuts. When Bali questioned Lord Ram's approach During their confrontation, he explained his unwavering dedication to dharma. Even when presented with easier or faster options, Lord Ram remained committed to ethical behavior. Key takeaway: always prioritize integrity above shortcuts, even if the right route is challenging. That's all for now. Hope this video was useful to you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do check the links in the description box below this video. So, until next time, happy reading.